Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Armoury Crate is installed and up to date. This avoids missing options. Once done, plug the laptop into power and attach any external GPU, because mode switching often requires full power. Make sure to close third-party GPU tools; those can conflict. Then open Armoury Crate from the Start menu or System tray. You need to land on the main device dashboard. This gets you straight into the interface, where GPU mode controls live, so you can continue immediately. You navigate to the Device or Performance tab. That's where GPU controls are grouped. Once there, open the Graphics or Advanced Settings panel, sometimes labeled GPU mode. Now you'll see options such as Performance, Balanced, or Whisper. Select the one matching your need. Pick Performance for maximum clock and cooling, Balanced for everyday use, or Whisper to minimize fan noise. After selecting, click Apply or Save. The software may prompt a brief profile change or a system restart to commit the setting. You finish by applying the chosen mode, and if Armoury Crate asks, restart the PC so firmware and drivers align. Once restarted, verify the change using Task Manager, GPU-Z, or Armoury Crate's telemetry to confirm clock speeds and power state. If the mode didn't stick, make sure drivers and BIOS are current, then try resetting the profile to default and reapply. If issues persist, reinstall Armoury Crate, and as a final tip, check for conflicting utilities that auto-manage GPU settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.